guys, welcome to my channel. So we just arrived to UK yesterday and today I want to give you a house tour. So let's start with our entrance. This is our house and next to our house we have a car. Okay, let me tell you our house number first, but I can't tell you the whole address, just house number 27. And this is our main door and we have a garage here. And let's go in. Oh, this is the letterbox, which I find interesting because it's different from Hong Kong. Let's please come in. I'm gonna change my slippers first. Where should I go first?
Maybe living room.
Living room. You're so close, maybe I have to come.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with the living room first. Come in. So welcome to the living room here. You can see the beautiful lights. And then we have beautiful sofa here with some statues and decoration. And this side we have the decoration and TV getting ready. We also have pets. Another one, our pets.
That's Raymond's replacement.
Raymond's replacement. Another one hiding behind the door. Okay, and this one is the storage area. When the light turns on, this is like Harry Potter's house, right? But I'm not Harry Potter, so I'm not going to live here. Okay, let's come out. The heating system. Okay, shall we get out to the next room? Follow me. Okay, this one we have some shoe racks with beautiful plants, and we have the stairs going up with carpets. But before going up, I want to explore this floor. And right next to the stairs, we have the bathroom, toilet. And this is also pretty because it's all in white and it's beautiful. This big.
It's normally for guests.
It's for guests, so they don't have to go up to the bedroom. You can just use it here. Go in and take a cool, nice shot. Right? Okay, checking out kitchen next. So, welcome to our kitchen. Beautiful light here. And then we have table, dining table with 4 chairs. Look at the chair. Right, and then look at the space for kitchen. I can turn and turn. So spacious. Okay, there's so many things in the kitchen. So we have the fridge here.
You can open it also.
Okay, let's look at the fridge. It's tall, I can't reach the top. And then we have the freezer here.
Selling the house.
Yes, I'm selling not this house, but I could work with that. This is the microwave, oven, storage, more drawers, and this is the stove, and lots of cabinets. The sink is here. Where's the dishwasher here? The dishwasher is here. We're not using it yet. And then we have our own appliances and the washing machine here. Now let's go out. Okay, going out to one of the place I love about this house is the, what is this called?
Backyard.
The backyard. It's called the backyard.
You can run.
And can I run with this? No, I can't run with this. So welcome to the backyard. What you can do is okay, so this is so spacious. So I think
Garage also.
later on we're gonna decorate everything. And look at the potted plants, so pretty. And this is the door to the garage. Wanna go in?
Mm.
Is it locked though?
It's locked.
I think
okay,
so.
maybe next time then.
Next time it's locked. Okay, let's go back in.
Mm.
I ran and I feel so exhausted. Okay, going upstairs now. Should we turn off the lights? Okay, time to go upstairs. Look at the stairs. It's like so soft if you just walk here. Look at the beautiful plants. And this also is quite wide.
Mm.
Okay, another beautiful plant. Now we're gonna go inside our room. Okay, let's come in. Corridor, the room. And how do you know it's our room? Because our photos are here. So this is our room. And then this is the room to get ready. So I just got ready here.
It's difficult to have this kind of settings at Hong Kong, right?
Yes, because in Hong Kong you don't have space.
Mm.
So you can't fit this beautiful dressing table in Hong Kong. But in UK you can. Right? So there's so many doors. I love it. I love this. Okay. And we have the wardrobe here with plenty of drawers. And look at the lights. I love the lights. I like the into the light bird going to the lights, and then we have table lamps on both sides, which looks like this. Okay. Should we check out other rooms?
Yeah.
When you walk past the corridor, you will see more beautiful lights. So this one is the bedroom. It belongs to Mommy and Papa. And this is also huge and beautiful.
It's the main master
the main
bedroom
master bedroom.
because it comes with
also comes with the
ensuite.
ensuite bathroom. It's just called ensuite, is it? Okay. The wardrobe is there with mirrors, so you can check yourself out, and let me show you the connected bathroom. This is the connected bathroom, the toilet side, sink, and the bathing area. Okay.
We can go to now the Raymond's.
And then toilet. Okay, let's follow me because we're going to the third bedroom. This one is the third bedroom. This one belongs to my brother-in-law. His bed, lamps, and then cupboard with the setting. He also has a nice view.
The front, yeah.
We also have a nice view. So now going to, I think it's the last place
It's like the
show.
family
The family washroom
and bathroom.
and bathroom because it has shower room and a bathtub. I love bathtubs. And then toilet, sink, and the towels there. Okay, so those are all the rooms in this house, and it's lovely. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.
Bye bye.